In this video I want to tell you why you don't need a professional camera if you want to start your YouTube channel, and also explain why I actually got one now. I've been doing my YouTube channel for a few years. You can check out other videos, and I've been doing them using my phone. So basically the first reason why you don't need a camera to start a YouTube channel or a business online is because your camera is enough. And modern phones, have the built-in cameras which are really good enough to make videos. Sometimes you hardly can see any difference between those cameras, so this is one of the reasons why you don't need, and this was one of the reasons why I didn't have the camera. And this is actually the first video I'm making using a camera. And the second reason you don't need a camera to start a YouTube channel or any kind of online presence is because actually cameras are very expensive, and your phone you already paid for your phone. Everybody has a phone nowadays almost, so you don't have to have any extra expenses for this. But if you want to buy a good camera, like I've got this camera I'm using now, it's like up to $1,000 at the moment, and so it's quite expensive. And when you start something online, usually you don't want to invest a lot of money into a camera. Maybe you could invest a little bit money into a microphone because you want to make sure you have good audio. You might invest, audio is the most important when you start, but otherwise maybe lighting, if you want to have like a studio at home or something, which I didn't do anyway because I like to to film everywhere, as you can see. Just right now I'm in this beautiful park here. If you already made some money or for some reason if you have like surplus financially, then it makes sense. In my case, I was hesitating doing it also for other reasons which I'm going to mention, but one of the reasons is, of course, going into financial investments right away when you start is not a good idea. The next reason is why not to invest into a camera is because it's easier to film spontaneously with your phone. You just take it out everywhere, it doesn't matter where. People got used to seeing people filming on their phones everywhere, and it's so natural, it's easy, you put it in your pocket, it's just on the go, you film spontaneously. And this is also my way, I don't like to plan too much, and sometimes I go somewhere or drive somewhere and spontaneously I have this feeling, I want to make a video because it's a beautiful scenery or something. But with the camera it's different. You have to plan the settings, you have to, it's not so spontaneous. And when you start, you don't want anything to block you from actually making the action, to actually start. So everything that blocks you, it's not a good idea. So this is the third reason why it's not a good idea to start your YouTube channel with buying a camera. The next one is also because on the phone there are very easy built-in editing apps, and you can always use very simple editing apps which are like user-friendly. You don't have to invest any time to learn them. It's really like you download an app and you can add in your videos. It was so easy for me. So it's also like the reason you don't want to have extra difficult steps on the way, so you can start like this with easy editing, so to say. This is one of the reasons. And if you use a professional camera, then you have to use programs which probably you also have to pay for them, or it will be at least more complicated. So it's also, again, could be an obstacle. Like for a person like me who is not so good with technical things, it would definitely be an obstacle. And the fifth reason why, which is also kind of similar, is because first it's it's just easier to learn everything using your phone, everything, you know, starting from filming, starting from carrying it around, spontaneously filming where you want. Editing is easy, you know, you don't need anything extra. And then the next step can be, you know, that you have the surplus, the time, you already have your business running, you already have your YouTube channel, and then you have extra time, you're curious to learn more, you're curious to get into something more advanced or better quality. And this is the reason also why I wanted to have this camera, which you don't need, but still, when it comes to like a beautiful scenery, like here for example, I'm quite sure the quality of this video is much better than just by using my phone. So that was it, you know, the 5 reasons why you don't need a camera, and also I explained why I finally got one. I'm not even going to say which one, because it's not a sponsored video or something like this. But I hope you got some value. If you want to start your YouTube channel, if you want to start a business online, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like to make sure that YouTube algorithm is going to spread it all over, and some other people are going to get benefit from this video. And if you know somebody who might be, you know, wanting to start a business or a YouTube channel and is hesitating because of so many obstacles, then send a link to this video so that people know from somebody who has experience that you actually don't need it. Otherwise, yeah, if you subscribe, if you're looking for building freedom in life, you know, then this is the right channel for you. So I hope you subscribe. Leave me a comment if this video was useful, you know, what was your takeaway, give me your feedback. Did you like the quality of this video, and compare it with other videos on this channel? Do you think it makes sense for me to continue making videos using this camera? I don't promise, because I still like this easy, you know, way of doing it with my phone, and it took me, I don't even know if this video is now good. I will have to check it, because it took me efforts to learn how to set the camera, how to use it, you know. It's like, it's a challenge. For people who are not professionals, it's a challenge. So let's see how this video goes, and maybe I decide to do more often using the camera. And yeah, let me know if it's a good idea. Anyway, I will see you in the next video.